Disposing of waste has never been more convenient with the Morphy Richards Chroma sensor bin range. Using a proximity sensor, the bin lid opens automatically with a simple wave of your hand, giving you a hands-free and more hygienic approach, so you never have to transfer harmful bacteria around your home again. The bin also includes a retaining ring that helps keep bin liners hidden and securely in place. The bin requires only 4 AA batteries, which are easily inserted under the lid. The Chroma sensor bin is available in standard 50-litre capacity. These stylish and practical sensor bins are the perfect addition to any size kitchen. Morphy Richards, smart ideas for your home.